Josh here, doing a quick shop update. It is Florida and it is getting warm in the shop, getting warm outside, all over the place. I recently picked up a new drill press. It's a floor stand model, 16-speed Homier. I know that's a brand that's kind of on par with Harbor Freight type stuff, which is funny. It's an older drill press. And I never even thought about getting a floor standing drill press, really. It just kind of fell in my lap. It's something someone was getting rid of for pretty cheap. It was 125 bucks for the drill press and just a boatload of different bits and stuff. A lot of stuff I didn't have, or just something I now have duplicates of. When I had no drill press and I bought that first small one, I even thought like, well, I'll get this, but I'm not even sure when I'm going to use it. And I use it so much, so I thought maybe an upgrade on the drill press might be something that, in hindsight, I'm like, wow, I use that thing all the time. And it's nice having, maybe nice having two. I got one set up for one operation and one for the next. I can go from one to the other. We'll see how that works. But yeah, I haven't really used it a ton yet, just enough to make sure it works and cut some simple holes, but drill some simple holes. But it's been good and quite a good deal. So I got that. I'm wrapping up these cabinet doors for the built-in I did on my house. I started doing this before I did YouTube. I didn't even really bother with making the doors. It's pretty simple stuff, but pretty excited to get it done. It'll look nice. It's been really helpful having all these cabinets with stuff in them. At the same time, it's nice to finally have on the doors and not have to see all the stuff in them. So that's been a big undertaking, as well as I've kind of been cleaning up the shop a little bit, and I found this in the back of my tool cabinet, and I was like, this, if there was an incident, and I don't need this hanging in the back of a tool cabinet. I need this like out on the wall, middle of the room, at a high use area. The whole shop is a high use area. There's no point in having multiples at different machines or whatever. But at the same time, just having this kind of in the middle of the room, easiest to get to location. Yeah, I'd rather be able to find it and not need it than need it and not find it. One of those things. Gonna wrap up things on these doors, and the next project's going to be a table for the drill press over there, as well as a crosscut sled for the table saw. Pretty excited about that, pretty pumped on making some more workability out of what's in here, some repeatability, that kind of thing. Just making it a little bit easier to get work done in the shop. So yeah, see how it goes. Talk to y'all later. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.